The Great Wall of China, a timeless legend. Have you ever imagined walking along the spine of a dragon? A dragon that stretches across deserts, mountains, and valleys. That's what it feels like to stand on the Great Wall of China, one of the most breathtaking and iconic structures ever built by mankind. The story of the Great Wall begins over 2,000 years ago. Its earliest sections were constructed as early as the 7th century BC by small Chinese kingdoms to defend their territories from northern invaders. But it was Emperor Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor of unified China, who joined these scattered walls together in 221 BC, laying the foundation of what we know today as the Great Wall. Over the centuries, many dynasties added to it, especially the Ming dynasty, 1368 to 1644, which built the most famous and well-preserved parts of the wall using bricks and stones. These additions turned it into a massive military defense system, complete with watchtowers, beacon towers, and garrison stations. Stretching over 21,000 kilometers, more than 13,000 miles, the Great Wall winds its way across northern China like a mighty serpent. It passes through 15 provinces and touches the Yellow Sea on one end. One of the most famous sections is Даling, located near Beijing, known for its grand views and restored pathways. Another stunning part is Jinshanling, offering untouched natural beauty and rugged charm for adventurous hikers. But why was this colossal structure built? Its main purpose was to protect China from invasions, especially from Mongol and other nomadic tribes of the north. Soldiers patrolled the wall, signal fires warned of approaching enemies, and the fortresses stored weapons and supplies. It wasn't just a wall, it was a lifeline of security for an entire civilization. Despite its name, the Great Wall is not a single continuous line. It consists of multiple walls built by different dynasties across different regions and time periods. Some sections have disappeared with time, while others still stand proudly, defying centuries of weather, war, and erosion. Today, the Great Wall of China is more than just a historical monument. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a symbol of Chinese strength and unity, and one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. Millions of visitors from around the globe come to experience its majesty every year, to walk on the stones where ancient soldiers once stood, and to witness the endless horizon from its high towers. From the engineering brilliance to the stories etched in every brick, the Great Wall continues to inspire wonder. It reminds us of the power of human determination, the value of cultural heritage, and the beauty of what people can create when united by a purpose. So next time you think of great wonders of the world, remember the Great Wall of China. Not just as a wall, but as a living legacy, echoing with the footsteps of history.